In this video, I'll show you the impact that animals can have on our mind and body. It's been said that an animal's eyes have the power to speak a great language. Let's talk about the power of animals on our emotional and physical states. What are the benefits of touching and interacting with animals? It's well documented that decreased blood pressure is definitely one of the benefits. But one profound benefit is increased longevity. A 2019 study found that dog owners had a 24% lower risk of all-cause mortality, or any cause of death, compared to non-dog owners. A 2017 study showed that cat owners had a 10% lower risk of cardiovascular death compared to non-cat owners. Another benefit is decreased cholesterol levels. Especially since COVID, there's an epidemic of loneliness. It's no surprise that pet owners are typically less lonely than non-pet owners. And there's reduced loneliness once people get a pet. Children who live with pets, particularly those with dogs, tend to show higher levels of empathy. In one study, heart attack victims lived longer if they owned a pet compared to those who did not. Pet therapy has been shown to help reduce symptoms of schizophrenia, PTSD, depression, and anxiety. A therapy dog program called the WAGS program in Colorado stands for Wonderful Animals Giving Support, WAGS, involves taking dogs around to patients in a hospital. Sometimes a doctor may order a therapy dog to visit for one of their patients because of the calming effect the animals have on the patients. There was one patient who couldn't speak after having a stroke. The dog went in and snuggled up with the patient, and believe it or not, as the patient started petting the dog, the patient said everything is going to be okay after not having been able to speak since the stroke. The director said you can sit and watch heart rate monitors drop down when a patient is petting a dog. A comment about PTSD. Pet therapy has been shown to help patients suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder. Combat soldiers obviously suffer as a result of the horrors of war, and many have received help in the form of counseling, medication, and partnering with other military veterans. But the healing process for PTSD continues to be a prolonged and difficult journey. This may help explain why some doctors are enthusiastic about the positive results they're seeing with the relatively new treatment of PTSD through animal-assisted therapy. Dogs can be trained to interact proactively, so when a patient is exhibiting high stress or anxiety, dogs are conditioned to come alongside and give the patient a gentle poke. In one study, psychologists noted an 82% reduction in symptoms with the use of dogs. One particular case noted that interacting with the dog for as little as 1 week enabled patients to decrease the amount of anxiety and sleep medications by half. Pets definitely can help us with stress management and with other emotional states. Pet therapy is definitely effective with helping us manage stress and reducing life-depleting emotions.